What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Long time no see. I have not uploaded in a very long time. That's due to a lot of things happening in my personal life in regards to work, moving house, and a few things like that. That being said, I have still been in the space of investing, online businesses, crypto, and the NFT space. And ideally, I still want to make videos around that particular topic and just share my journey along the way with you. So I'll be starting some new online businesses soon. I'm going to document the process of that. We're going to go over some general crypto stuff as well. We're going to look at some NFTs. I've been in the NFT space the last few months. And yeah, look, it's been long overdue. I think I probably went too hard too fast there for a while. Burnt out a little bit, but now we're coming back. I'm ready to get a regular pattern in again and continue uploading, and we're going to start off. It's going to be more towards building that passive income again. Now, if you did listen to anything that I'd said along the way, and once again, it's not financial advice, but you got to make sure you're taking your wins along the way. So I did say it, and I've said it many times in previous videos, that in the position where any of the positions that I was in, if they were to go to zero, I wasn't out of pocket in the ones that I had already made profit on. Always leave a little moon bag in there, but you make sure you recoup your capital. So just check it in. And yeah, look, I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments down below. Look, if you support me and you support my journey, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'll be sure to upload regular content. So hope you enjoy. Peace.